Hello, and this drawing was done about a month ago during my live stream, and I was about maybe 20% of the way done with the drawing, and I thought to myself, I forgot to push record. I completely forgot to push the record button, the time-lapse record button, while I was live streaming, because I have my camera set to time-lapse record, and I have it doing that while I'm live streaming, so that I have two separate videos, where one is a time-lapse one that is a smaller file, and I have the live stream. But anyways, things have been going good. I know I haven't really released very many videos recently of time-lapse drawing, longer ones. I've mostly been live streaming because I wanted to improve my drawing. I wanted to have more time to draw because I spend a lot of time video editing, and I like video editing, but sometimes it gets to be a lot of work, and it just takes away a lot of time from me being able to draw. And but yeah, things have been going pretty good. I've been working on making a new channel intro, and I wanted to make something a bit artistic, kind of something that was for the channel, a theme for it. But as you can see in this video, the intro that I had, that's my new intro that I have from now on. But in other news, things are going pretty good. I just woke up. I ate breakfast, and I'm still hungry though. So I think I will probably get some more food to eat. And then later on today, I'm probably going to spend some time cleaning, and then probably go work out. And then when I get back, do more cleaning and eat. But yeah, things are going good. I think I'm improving quite a bit. I've got a couple of new styles of drawing and ways of creating that I'll be working on and showing everybody, and new tutorials. So if you got any questions about anything or any of that, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But until then, thanks for watching. You have a good day. Keep on creating.